Olympiad factorization. We will factor completely x to the fourth plus x squared plus 1 using a clean, visual, step-by-step method. Every line you see will match the narration exactly. Step 1. Recognize a hidden connection to x to the sixth minus 1. Write x to the sixth minus 1 as open parenthesis x squared close parenthesis cubed minus 1 cubed. This equals x squared minus 1 times x to the fourth plus x squared plus 1. Therefore, our target equals the fraction x to the sixth minus 1 over x squared minus 1. Step 2. Factor x to the sixth minus 1 completely. First, as a difference of squares of cubes, x to the sixth minus 1 equals x cubed minus 1 times x cubed plus 1. Now factor each cubic. X cubed minus 1 equals x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. And x cubed plus 1 equals x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. Putting it all together, we get 4 factors in a row. Step 3. Cancel the common factor x squared minus 1. We also know x squared minus 1 equals x minus 1 times x plus 1. Since x to the sixth minus 1 equals x squared minus 1 times our target. And we also factored x to the sixth minus 1 into those 4 factors. The remaining factor must be exactly x squared plus x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. Quick check. The product should expand back to our quartic. Start with the product. Multiply and collect like terms x to the fourth minus x cubed plus x squared plus x cubed minus x squared plus x squared minus x plus 1. The plus x cubed and minus x cubed cancel. The plus x and minus x cancel. For the squared terms, x squared minus x squared plus x squared leaves just 1x squared. So the result is exactly x to the fourth plus x squared plus 1. Final answer. X to the fourth plus x squared plus 1 equals x squared plus x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. Done.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerseMaths.